Okay, guys, so I got back on my favorite subreddit, Am I the A-hole? And I found this really cool story that I wanted to read to you guys because I need you guys to help me be the judge here. This one is called, Am I the asshole for refusing to take my girlfriend to nice places because she eats like a kid? He might not be wrong, but he may be single soon. Let's find out. My girlfriend is an incredibly picky eater. Like I said in the title, she eats like she's 10 years old. In fact, I'll give a short list of things that she refuses to eat. Unflavored water, fish excluding shrimp, anything with bones, any cheese other than sharp cheddar, spinach, onions, garlic. Wait, garlic? I didn't know that there was anybody that doesn't like garlic. That's crazy to me. Pasta without red sauce, eggs, spicy food, aioli, ketchup, potatoes other than french fries, pastries with fruit, sausage, and any non-American food. Dude, I thought I was picky, but she doesn't like anything. This compared to me, who's someone who grew up in multiple different regions of the US and lived abroad for a few years, so I'm a bit more adventurous when it comes to food. Whenever me and my girlfriend go out somewhere nice, she ends up getting the same meals, usually either a burger or chicken tenders and fries. We could be going to an authentic Nepalese restaurant and she would get french fries and white rice. To me, it's kind of embarrassing to go to a restaurant where there's a dress code and for her to order chicken tenders and fries. It especially bothers me because I typically pay and I end up spending $15 on chicken tenders that I could have gotten from the freezer section at Walmart for $5. Recently in our area, a very nice restaurant opened up, and my girlfriend has been dying to go to it. I checked out the place and looked at the menu and saw that it looked nice, but the food was kind of pricey. She said she was probably going to try the chicken tenders as per usual. I asked her what's the point of going then if I can just toss her some chicken tenders in the air fryer. That way I don't have to spend ridiculous amounts of money on it. She asked why I had an attitude about this, and I told her that I thought it was a waste of time and money to go to a nice place to get little kid food. She interpreted this as me calling her a little kid. I clarified that I wasn't calling her a child, however, it is kind of childish for her to eat the food that she does. I also said that if she's gonna order food that we can make at home, there's no point of us going anywhere. This led to an argument about me thinking I'm better than her. So am I wrong? Oh, okay. So I'm looking at the comments because I need to know what other people think about this. Because right off the bat, I do get where he's coming from. I definitely do because I'm a foodie and I like people to be a little bit more adventurous with food. But he is being extra controlling in my opinion. I do think that, it's kind of weird that she would want to go to a nice restaurant just to get chicken tenders. But maybe she just wants a reason to dress up nice. I mean, restaurants aren't all about just the food. It's about the experience. Okay, so the number one comment says, probably not the popular opinion, but I think not the asshole. They agree that there's no point of taking her to an expensive restaurant if she's just gonna get fries and chicken tenders. That comment got 46,000 likes, so I guess a lot of people agree with that. So I guess I might be the odd one out, but I kind of think he's the asshole because you don't need to tell somebody what they can eat. And you can't use that as a reason to not take your girlfriend out to a nice restaurant. Also, maybe it's a good idea for them to just go Dutch. If he doesn't want to spend $15 for chicken tenders, I really don't blame him. And if she wants chicken tenders at a nice restaurant, she should be willing to pay. There, problem solved. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Also, check out my newest Domino set. This customer wanted black, white, and gray. And this one was really hard for me because I usually do a lot of really colorful stuff. But I had a lot of fun making this marble design, and I think these dominoes pair so well with the box. So you guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this domino set and rate it from 1 to 10. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like drama and art. All right, deuces.